Hello everyone. Today we will discuss both type problem in multiplexer and demultiplexer. Here we have to implement higher order expression by using lower order multiplexer. The first problem is that for the given function fab is equal to sigma small m 013. Implement it by using 4 by 1 multiplexer, by using 2 by 1 multiplexer, where select line is A and in the second case the select line is B. Now see the solution. Here, because your function is given in the form of the two variables A and B, so there will be 4 rows. It means there will be 4 input lines. When there are 4 input lines, you know that there will be 2 select lines. So when we solve it for 4 by 1 multiplexer, this problem is simple. Now see here, there are 4 input lines D0, D1, D2, D3, and there are 2 select lines AB. For AB we will write 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now here see the table. This is your select line A and B, and there are 4 input lines D0, D1, D2, D3. So for D0 we will write AB is equal to AB as 0, 0. Now when we see that AB is 0, 0, it lie on line 0. So when FAB is equal to sigma small m013, it means that it is the SOP form. So for line 0 we will have output 1. So we will write here 1. Now for D1, AB is 0, 1 and it lies on line 1. So line 1 is in the expression, so it will be here output 1. Now for D2, AB is 1, 0 and it lies on line 2. In the expression you see that in SOP form 2 is not present, so we will write here output as 0. Now for AB11, it lies on line 3, so 3 is there in the expression, so we will write here output 1. Now you see your actual output will be of the form A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus AB D3. Now we can easily select D0 as 1, D1 as 1, D2 as 0 and D3 as 1. So see here, your input lines will be 1, 1, 0, 1. Now for the same problem we have to use a multiplexer which is of the order of 2 by 1. Here A has to be as the select line. Now you know that there are 2 variables, so there will be 4 input lines, but we are bound here that we have to select here 2 input lines. So this is not a simple problem. Now you can see here that how we can solve it. First we will make a table here. It is line 0, 1, 2, 3 and here AB are the 2 variables. So AB 0, 0, then AB 0, 1, then 1, 0 and 1, 1. Now here for 2 by 1 multiplexer, you know that there has to be 2 input lines and 1 output. If there are 2 input lines, then there will be 1 select line. So if A is the select line, then we will select it as there will be 2 rows, so those will be 0 and 1. Now as 2 by 1 multiplexer, so there will be 2 input lines D0 and D1. Now how we can select the value of the D0 and D1? Here see that right here D0 and D1 in columns. If I am selecting here A as the select line, then the other variable is B. So I will write here B bar and B. B bar represent for 0 value of B and B represent here for 1 value of B. Now for D0, here for D0 you know that A is equal to 0. So from this table here you see that when your A is 0, then you have B is 0 and B is 1. See here that for B equal to 0, I will write B bar. Now this value will be here 1, because if you see that when A is equal to 0, B equal to 0, it lies on line 0. So line 0 is present in the expression, so it will have output 1. Now I will write here for B bar as 1. Now the other value for A equal to 0, B is 1, so B1. Now see here B1, it lies on line 1, so I will write here 1, so B1 is equal to 1. Now for D1, for D1 you know that A will be equal to 1, because if you see your actual output will be here. When we found the actual output, it comes out to be of the form A bar D0 plus A D1. So D1 is with A and D0 is with A bar. So here for D1 we will write A is equal to 1. So here in the table you see that when A is equal to 1, so when A is equal to 1, it is line 2 and line 3. Now when A is equal to 1, then B is equal to 0. So B bar 0, it will represent 0, because when we write A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, it lies on line 2. Line 2 is not present in the expression, because sigma FAB is equal to sigma M013. 2 is not there, so we will write it here 0. Now see for D1 we will write B bar is 0, so we will write here as 0. Now when A is equal to 1, then B 1, so we will write it as B. So B1, it will be equal to 1, because it lies on line 3 and 3 is present in the expression. So here for D1 we will write B1 as 1. Now in the D0 column you see that 1 is present, so here your output will be 1. It is like the term B bar plus B, and you know that B bar plus B is equal to 1. When these two terms are same, we will write it as 1. Now similarly here you see that for D1 B bar is 0, so this will not be appear, and here for D1 B is equal to 1, So here your output will be B. So we will select the input lines as 1 and B. So our actual output here will be A bar D0 plus A D1, and here D0 is equal to 1, so it will be A bar into 1 plus A, and D1 is B, so it will be A bar plus AB. Now we can solve it by distribution law. It will be equal to A bar plus A and A bar plus B. A bar plus A is equal to 1, so it will be equal to A bar plus B. Now here we have to now select B as the select line. When we select B as the select line, that means because there are two variables, so the other variable we have to use in input lines. Now again we will make the table. Here for the two variables A and B, it is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Now I will make a line 0 1 2 3 because there are two variables, 4 rows, 4 decimal, so there will be decimal numbers 0 1 2 3. Now here I am selecting B as the select line, so I have to select A as the input lines. Now again I will make here D0 D1 columns, and A bar and A I will write in rows. A bar and A I will write in rows. Now see here for D0, B is equal to 0. Now see in this table that when your B is equal to 0, now see here B is equal to 0, it is for line 0, and B equal to 0 for line 2. For line 0, when B equal to 0, A is equal to 0, so I will write A is equal to 0, that means it is A bar and it lies on line 0, so I will write here 1 because 0 is present in the expression. So I will write here for A bar 1. Now B is equal to 0, it lies on line, now B is equal to 0, it lies on line 2, and here for B equal to 0, A1 means A and it is 0. So for D0, A1 is equal to 0. Now for D1, I will write B is equal to 1. So here see in this table that when B is equal to 1, you see here that for line 1 and for line 3, B is equal to 1. When B is equal to 1 in line 1, then A is equal to 0 means A bar, so it lies on line 1 and it is equal to 1 because 1 is present in the expression, because your expression is FAB equal to sigma M013. So I will write A bar 0 as 1. Now for B equal to 1, A is equal to 1 means A, it lies on line 3, so I will write here 1. Now I will write here for D1 A bar as 1 and A is as equal to 1. Now here see that for D0, because here you see that there is 1, so I will write here output as A bar, and here 1 1 is common, so I will write here output 1. So our inputs will be here A bar and 1. Now our actual output will be here B bar D0 plus B D1. If I write the value of D0 and D1, then our actual output comes out to be A bar plus B, which is similar when we select A as the select line. Now see here in this table that first I will write here 0, then I will move downward, I will write here 1, then in the second column I will write 2, and then I will write 3. Now see here that for the line 0, 1, 2, 3, you see here that this is a order 0, 1, then 2, 3. It is when A is select line. Now when B is select line, we move horizontally 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? Now the second problem is that there are, here you can see a function FABC. It is equal to sigma small m 0, 2, 3, 6, 7. Now we have to implement this expression by using 4 by 1 multiplexer, where AB as select line, BA as select line, BC as select line, and AC as select line. Now see here that you have 3 variables A, B, C. That means we will have 8 input lines, but we are bound to here use a 4 by 1 multiplexer. That means we can select only 4 input lines and there will be 1 output. So this problem is not simple problem. Now we will solve it. Like here I will make a table for the 3 variables A, B, C. Now see, this is line column. So here see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 means there are 8 rows and there are 3 variables. So we can write the variables as 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. So this will represent 0, this will represent 1, this will represent 2, this will represent 3 in binary, this will represent 4 in binary, this will represent 5, this will represent 6, this will represent 7. Now here we have to select AB as the select lines. Now if I am selecting AB as the select lines, that means there will be 4 rows. Because there are 2 variables, so there will be 4 rows. Because there are 3 variables, if I am selecting AB as the select lines, then I have to select C in the input lines. Because I am using 4 by 1 multiplexer, so our input lines here will be D0, D1, D2, D3. If you see your actual output here, that will be of the form A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3. Now here we have to find the value of the D0, D1, D2, D3. Now see here I will make 4 columns D0, D1, D2, D3, and there will be 2 rows for C bar and C. C bar represents that C is equal to 0 and C represent C is equal to 1. Now see here how we can write the value of D0, D1, D2, D3, where AB as the select line. Now for D0, AB is equal to 0, 0, you know it. Now when AB is equal to 0, 0, then see from this table here that AB is equal to 0, 0, it lies on line 0 and on line 1. So for line 0, C bar is 0. C bar means C is 0, but 0 is here, you see that, so the output will be here 1. So for C bar, for D0 I will write 1. Now C1, 1, it lies on line 1 and 1 is not present in this expression, so I will write here 0. So here you see that for D0 C will be equal to 0. Now for D1, for D1 you see that A is equal to 0, B is equal to 1. Now see where is A equal to 0 and B equal to 1. See here line 2 and line 3, A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. So for D1 AB is equal to 0, 1. Now when AB is equal to 0, 1, then C bar or C is equal to 0, it lies on line 2 and line 2 is present here, so I will write here 1. C bar 0 will be equal to 1. Now for AB equal to 0, 1, C1, it lies on line 3, 3 is also present there, so I will write here C1 as 1. So I am writing here 1 for C1 as 1. Now for D2, for D2 I will write A as 1, B is 0. So AB is equal to 1, 0. Now I will see here that where is A is 1 and B is 0. So it lies on line 4 and on 5. So for D2 I will use line 4 and line 5. Now for line 4, when AB is equal to 1, 0, now C bar means C is equal to 0. It lies on line 4. Line 4 is not there. So for D2 I will write C bar is 0. Now AB is 1, 0. C is equal to 1. That means C. So it lies on line 5. 5 is not present there. So I will write here 0. Right. Now for D3 I will write AB as 1, 1. So for D3 AB as 1, 1. Now see here in this table AB lies, when AB is 1, 1, it lies on line 6 and 7. So for line 6, when AB is 1, 1, C bar means C is equal to 0. So it lies on line 6 and 6 is there. So it will have the value 1. Now AB is equal to 1, C 1. C1 means C, it lies on line 7. So there will be 1. So here you see now, this is 1, this is 0. So here your output will be C bar for D0. For D1, here is 1, here is 1. Same term, so output will be here 1. Here D2, it is 0, it is 0. So here output will be 0. Here D3 is 1, 1. So here output will be 1. So our inputs now will be C bar 1, 0 and 1. Now we can write the actual output as A bar B bar D0 plus A bar B D1 plus A B bar D2 plus A B D3. Now we can put the value of D0 as C bar, D1 is equal to 1 and D2 as equal to 0 and D3 as equal to 1, then we can find the actual output. Here I have used the select line AB. Now in the next problem I will use BA as the select line. So you see that BA is the select line. Now I will make a table here for the three variables A, B, C, and line is there. So because there are three variables, so line will be having the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and our variables will be 0, 0, 0 as earlier, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1. Now see here that our actual output here will be B bar A bar D0 plus B bar A D1 plus B A bar D2 plus B A D3. Now I will find the value of the D0, D1, D2, D3. For finding the value of D0, D1, D2, D3, I will write these in the columns as D0, D1, D2, D3. Now because I am selecting BA as the select line and the third variable remain is C, so I will write here C bar and C in the rows. Here C bar represent that C is equal to 0, C here represent that C is equal to 1. Clear? Now for D0, you know that I have to write BA as 0, 0. Now see here that where is BA 0, 0? So BA 0, 0 lies on line 0 and line 1. So you can see that line 0 is there but line 1 is not present. So now see here C bar 0 will be 1 but C1 will be 0 because C bar 0, line 0 is there in the expression but 1 is not in the expression that was given as sigma m. It was equal to, if you remember, it was equal to 0, 2, 3, 6, 7. Means here 1 is not present here and 4 is not present here, 5 is not present here, right? So here 1, 4 and 5 are absent. For these values I will write 0. Now so for C bar is equal to 1 and C1 it lies on line 1 and 1 is absent there, so I will write here 0, right? Now for D1, you see that for D1 BA is 0, 1. Now see here BA is 0, 1. So if you see that BA 0, 1, it lies on line 4 and 5. So here you see that for line 4, when BA is 0, 1, C bar 0, it is equal to 0 because 4 is not present in the expression, and C1 it lies on line 5, so 5 is not present, so C1 will be 0. So see here for D1 I will write here C bar as 0 and C1 as 1. Now for D2, now for D2 BA is equal to 1, 0. Now see where is 1, 0? So see here, so see here BA 1, 0, it lies on line 2 and line 3. So for line 2 C bar means C is equal to 0. It lies on line 2 and line 2 is there so I will write here for C bar as 1. Now for BA10, it lies on line 3 and C is equal to 1 means C. Thus here C is equal to 1, so C, it is again lies in the expression, so I will write here 1. Now for BA as 1 1. Now if you see that BA as 1 1, it lies on lines 6 and 7. Now when BA is 1, then C is equal to 0. C is equal to 0 means C bar, right? So it lies on line 6 and 6 is there, so I will write for T3 C bar as 1. Now BA is 1 1, so C is here 1, so I will write C is equal to 1, and it lies on line 7 and 7 is present in the expression, so I will write here 1. So now see here, it is 1, it is 0. So here I will have the output C bar, because this term will be 0. Now 0 0, it will have the output 0. Here 1 1, I will have output here 1, like C bar plus C, and here I will have the output 1 again. So our input lines will be C bar 0 1 1, right? Now I can write the actual output, that will be equal to B bar A bar D0 plus B bar A D1 plus B A bar D2 plus B A D3, and it will have the same output as we have in the case of the when AB was the select line. Now we can write the value of D0 as C bar, D1 as 0, D2 as 1, D3 as 1. Thank you.